Hey guys, welcome to another video of my eBay business. Someone left a comment in my last video that they never received notification that a new video came out, so if you haven't already, be sure to hit that bell icon. Well, what do we have here? YouTube.com/rejects. Alright guys, so I just purchased something on an auction site, specifically just to sell on eBay, so we're gonna open it up and see what it is. So I have my nice handy dandy kid scissors here just so I don't hurt myself. All right, there it is. All right, whoo, look at these goodies. So as you can see, I have a nice little box of utensils and everything that I purchased on an auction site. So I'm gonna rummage through these real quick and point out a couple of pieces that I think are interesting. So let's see here, we have this nice little, ooh, look at that. Nice little utensil here, spoon with a knife, and ooh, it also has a fork. So hopefully you guys can see that there. That's pretty sweet. Gonna do some more research on what exactly to list this as, but at this point, if you guys see anything interesting in one of these, feel free to check out my eBay store link in the description below. I recently purchased a PO box so that I feel comfortable sharing my eBay store with my subscribers. So if you ever see anything you like, feel free to go down below and check out one of the stores. I'll probably be listing these on my own in addition to my wife's profile. So let me just show you guys what else I got. I purchased this whole box for about $40. So, all right, this thing in here. Ooh, there's a lot going on. All right, what is this? Ragnar. Ooh, look at that. This is something that you bring with you hiking on a trail. That's pretty sweet. It has a little spork/spoon on it. And it came in this really nifty little bag. Again, it's Ragnar Trail 2019. So gonna have to do some research on that one, but it has a bunch of little tools on the side here as well. So pretty sweet. Looking forward to seeing what that could bring. Now, I did preemptively buy this before I looked up a bunch of comps. So I figured even if I spend like $1 on each thing, I figured I could at least get $1 out of most of these, if not just use it myself. All right, so next thing, oh wow, this thing is really high tech. We got the Ozark Trail here, utensil set. So obviously have the fork. Okay, oh, it comes apart. It comes apart so that you could use it as a fork and a spoon. That is awesome. How did I put that back together? All right, so I just put it back in like that. Oh, that is the coolest thing ever. All right, let me just make sure I can put it back properly. And then just like that, it's compacted into one piece again. Wow, that is sweet. Ozark Trail, I'm not sure if that's a brand or not, but we're gonna have to look it out and see some comps for this particular item. So pretty sweet tool right there. And again, just more of the standard, knife and spoon. So that's pretty much what this whole box is, but I just want to see if there's any recognizable brands that I would know, or maybe one of you guys would know. So again, fork, spoon, a bunch of tools in the middle as well. So a bunch of hiking/camping gear. These are pretty heavy duty stuff here, and have a nice little keychain spoon with a bottle opener going on over here. So that's pretty sweet. What is this? A little surprise within the box. It's just a bunch of tape. Gonna have to whip out the kid scissors for this one. Kid scissors aren't helping me out that much. Oh, that's pretty sweet. So they threw in we have a Gerber knife over here. That's a recognizable brand. So that's pretty sweet. Might have to just keep this down here for opening eBay packages. What do we have here? Any recognizable brand? Feels like pretty high quality stuff right here. Gentleman's Hardware. So Gentleman's Hardware, spoon, fork, and obviously knife. Stainless steel. So this is going to be pretty sweet to sell. All right, another one of those, pretty much just a spoon and a bottle opener. Looks a little dirty, so we're gonna have to wash that before we list it. And we just have a piece of a Coleman's thing over here, so we're just gonna chuck that on the floor for right now. Let's see here. Ooh, what is this? All right, we have a cute little baby spoon going on in addition to the fork, knife, and what is this? Looks like a little flashlight. Oh, and it works. Got the flashlight. Oh, that is sweet. It looks like it's missing a part. So we have to find the second part of this. It looks like it'd be missing, I'm guessing the spoon part, but I don't know. We'll have to see if we can find anything like that in this box. So I'm just gonna set this aside. All right, got another little flashlight going on here with the multi-tool here. So there's also a saw, bunch of little cool things here. So nice and green. These things are pretty heavy, so I might just ship these each individually. Okay, so another, looks like a half piece. Is this the same piece? Nope. Okay, so I'm just gonna put on my side pieces here. Got a fork going on. Again, spoon, knife, multi-tool. So again, if you guys would like to take a look at any of these, my eBay store will be linked in the description below. I found the missing piece. Let's just probably do something along these lines here. There we go, putting them back together in their rightful place. A kabar. Oh, this is super high quality. It is super heavy. Oh, just look at that spoon, beautiful. Have a knife, another knife, and what's this on the back? That's just the sheath for the knife. That's pretty sweet. So high quality kabar, multi-set here. So I feel like I'm definitely gonna make my money back off of this list here, or off of this box. I have a a little what do you call it? Like, there's a name for these, but obviously it's like a weapon that you can just slide in between your fingers and boom, just like, brass knuckles. That's what I'm looking for. All right, so that's pretty sweet. I'm gonna have to look up to see if I could even sell that, but it looks like it's brand new. It's still in its packaging, so. All right, I like finding these things are in their own little cases. That's how you know they're important. Oh, nice. Let's see, SE. So I'm not too sure what brand that is, but this is very similar to the one that I opened earlier in the Kabar case. So again, very high quality, very heavy, dense. Let's see here. Again, another one. We are finding a bunch of awesome, it's like P, then there's like letters that are scratched off to cool. Protocol, maybe? Oh, we have like a Swiss Army style one. It has that little fish. I know that this is a particular brand, but I'm not exactly sure what brand it is off the top of my head. We have this is pretty cool. We have a little Switzerland one here. It has flowers. Looks like kind of like daisy looking things, but not quite daisies. So those would be interesting to list. And another one of those silver ones. Ozark Trail. Oh, here we go. We have another one of those multi-tool sporks still within its packaging. So I'm gonna sell this. New, it hasn't been opened yet. So pretty sweet stuff. Looking forward to shipping that out. Oh, here we go. Another one of the Gentleman's Hardware multi-tools. Oh, here's a Coleman's one that's actually intact. So pretty happy that's around. Ooh, this one's looking a little bit shady, as you can see. I might actually just end up throwing this one away, just because I don't want to sell that. That looks a little bit sketchy. Let's see here, what brand is this? This one looks like it could be potentially missing. Yeah, it's missing. It's this has like slivers instead of like being able to pull out. Looks like it's missing the fork. Unless I can find the fork in here, which doesn't look like I will be able to. Another Switzerland multi-tool here. Ooh, I actually recognize this brand. It's Nautica. I want to say it's a Nautica brand. I believe that's how you say it. But I know they're pretty. Ooh, okay, so we have a nice little chain for your belt. All right, so sweet. So I think that could bring us a little bit more than the other one since I actually recognize that brand. And we have a nice little wooden one, Pacific Trail. It has the spoon, the fork, and knives. All right, so pretty sweet stuff. I'm really happy with what we have so far. I think this is just my invoice. Yep, it's just my invoice, so no need to worry about that. And we also have some bubble wrap in addition to just a fresh box that we can keep this stuff in. So, all right, let me just, if these do well on eBay, then I'll definitely be purchasing more of these boxes. But if not, then I'll just be buying other things on the site. I believe they sell other multi-tools, knives, in the specific site that I'm looking at. However, I might branch out to other liquidation slash sites, auction sites that I find along the way. So if you guys have any helpful suggestions on what auction sites to use, feel free to leave it in the comment section below. And if you guys enjoyed this video, feel free to leave a like. If you guys would like to support this channel for free, feel free to click on one of my Amazon affiliate links down below, and you could purchase anything on Amazon within 24 hours of clicking the link, and I'll get a little kickback at no cost to you. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later.